NBI Director, sir, may I know of the current status of the investigation regarding the reported jail visit po?
Well, nag-imbestiga po kami dyan dun sa visit na yan, and we have established that on 2 occasions, Vice President Sara Duterte visited the BJMP in Campagong Diwa, initially trying to visit Ramil Madriaga, but we were informed by Madriaga that ayaw niyang humarap. At the same time, nung nangyari yon, ang pinuntahan niya ay si Arnie Tevez po.
May ebidensya po ba tayo? Kasi palagi nating sinasabi, dapat may resibo.
Confirmed by the then jail warden po doon, and in fact the NBI are requesting for the CCTV even before, but we have reports na may official report po kami na nangyari yung pagbisita, and we are also nag-issue kami ng subpoena to get the logbook po ng mga bumisita rito.
Last po, is there any link, any verified link between the visit and any plan to harm Mr. Madriaga po?
There was a report of an attempt to harm Mr. Madriaga in one occasion, and nagpadala po kami ng mga investigating officers doon from NBI at na-establish po na meron talagang isang detained prisoner doon na bagong lipat pa lang ay nag-attempt na saktan po si Mr. Madriaga.
Salamat po, NBI Chair.